Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your INFINIX Hot 50. So first, what you guys want to do is check the cable and charger for any damage or compatibility. If you're not using the original one, maybe that's the issue. So try and get the original charging brick and a cable. And if they are damaged, then make sure to get a new one. Make sure that it's also original, because charging with a not original charger, then what can happen simply is it won't fast charge anymore. Now, what you guys want to do next is clean your charging port. So as you guys know, we got the charging port at the bottom here, and we want to clean it because if it's blocked, the connection is worse. It can even go up to 0, so your phone won't charge. So make sure that you clean it. And after that, what you guys want to do is go over and try and test another fast charger. So maybe if you do not have the original one, maybe the charger that you're using right now is just not compatible with fast charging. If it is, then try another outlet, but if it isn't, then try another fast charger and also a different outlet for it. Now, as a last resort, what you guys can do is simply update your software to fix any charging glitches. This is the most common thing that happens, is because of the software. So just go over to My Phone, click on XOS, and here you will see if your system is up to date. If it is, like mine, then you're good to go. If not, then make sure to update it. It's very important to keep your software updated, because old softwares tend to have a lot more glitches. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.